so they were combined together, but that's really a bad choice because heat gets affected by water and he needs water. So what he has is like he can kind of claw things with his mouth. And when he goes into the water, he doesn't get affected at all. But what happens to the heat is it turns into steam. And we can watch it right now. The movie right now.